The time has finally come. MELD Studio released a major update, multi-canvas support. And now I can confidently say it's time to switch from OBS, Streamlabs, or any other streaming software that you are using currently. MELD is just simply the best streaming software out there. And in this video, I will show you why. I will walk you through MELD features and show you how easy and fun it is to use. And I will give you a quick setup guide to get started. This will be the most complete and yet simple guide out there. I will skip those advanced customization features and will focus on showing you how to set up your stream in the best, most efficient way possible. We'll cover initial setup like adding audio and video sources, alerts, notifications, widgets, multi-streaming, multi-canvas, multi-chatting, multi-everything, and many more, and even a small bonus at the end. So make sure not to miss it. Hit that like and subscribe button and let's dive into it. Let's start with adding audio and video sources. This chapter will be proof of interruption, guys. Just a quick note. I've added time codes in the description for those who don't want to watch or don't need to watch the whole video. So you can just jump in the section you're interested in right away, really quick. Before adding video sources, let's create a scene. To add a scene, you just need to hit that plus button and the new scene will appear right here. Let's call it somehow, I don't know, for video, for example. You can call it whatever you want. Next step is to add some layers and video and audio sources. To add a source, we need to go to the layers section here and hit that plus button. You will see the drop-down list where you can choose whatever you want. We'll start with video device. Next step here is to fit it to canvas to see it on the full screen like that. And here you will see another drop-down list with the available devices. Let's get the Elgato 4K-X. This is my capture card that I'm using for capturing my gameplay for my streams. Let's add another video source, video device. And in this time, let's choose Elgato Facecam. This cam that I'm using for my stream. So let's put it in a circle like this, and let's put it over here. Now we have two video sources, one with gameplay capturing and one with my face basically capturing. Next thing that we need to do is to add audio source. For that, we need to go here in the section of audio mixer and hit that plus button. It will add a track here. So next thing that you need to do is to select the device that you want to add. I will add Wavelink Stream because I'm using Wavelink software, but for you, it could be anything you want. It could be your mic, it could be a game, browser, everything. To add additional source, you just need to hit that plus button again and choose the other source, whatever you want it will be, right? So it works very easy and understandable, I would say. To remove the source, you simply need to hit that button and hit delete track. That's it. Okay, now let's add one more scene. Let's call it face cam, like this. Let's add a video source. Let's make it fit to canvas and let's choose Elgato Facecam. All right, now we are here. Okay, hello again. So next step that we're gonna do is to add multi-canvas. Multi-canvas was added by MELD Studio team pretty recently. I believe it happened like last week, and I already played with it for quite a while, and it works super cool. It's super easy to set up and looks great. Let me show you. What we'll do for video here. First of all, what we need to do, we need to go to the MELD Studio preferences. And here under general, we will see two options, main canvas and multi-canvas. We need multi-canvas. You see here they're saying that multi-canvas create both horizontal and vertical content at the same time. This is exactly what we need here. Closing, and now we see here on the right side, vertical blank canvas. What we need to do, it works very easy. First thing, you just need to click here, and you see on the left side by layers, you see that list is blanket. There is nothing in there. So we need to add devices exactly in the same way how we did for horizontal canvas. Video device, select Elgato. It will be our capture card. Maybe if you're using something different, it will be something different. For me, it's Elgato. Another video device. And face. Okay, this is how I do this. Like that. And like, no. Like this. Me personally, I'm not using vertical streaming at all, but I'm using vertical canvas pretty often because this is my way to do clips from my video and then post it on my social media like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. And to make this whole picture canvas vertical complete, I need to add one more thing. I need to add my name so people who may want to find me in my social networks, for example, Twitch, can know my name basically when they will see any of my clips on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So right now, it's pretty much complete. You see how it works? Okay, now we are almost done. Now we need to get back to preferences. We'll go under general, go down to clipping section, hit edit, and here we have next options: clip length, local destination, file format, canvas. Clip length, you have several options here: 10, 30, 60, 90, and 2 minutes. I personally use 90 seconds because it's, I believe it's like a perfect length for a clip. Um, Location, you need to choose any location that is good for you. File format, recommend you keep what they're proposing here by default file format. And for canvas, right now it's main canvas, but that's not what we need. We need vertical canvas. And now we're good. With that, I will do enabling clipping. And with that, you see changes are saved. We can go back. And now you can do recording of your videos, making clips of your streams of the most, funny moments, of most interesting moments, um, just within one click. You can set up a hotkey on your keyboard. You can hit a button on a Stream Deck, or you can simply hit a button here, clip, and it will create it. Here you go. You see changes are saved. We can go back. And now you can do recording of your perfect. Now the only thing is left is just to, post this video on any social network that you want. Basically, it's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, whatever you need. Next thing is to add Twitch account. And for multi-streaming, we will add one more account for Kick. Let me show you how to do this. This, we'll need to go to Preferences again. Here under General, again, we need to go to the Stream Settings here. Then we need to hit this Add Output button. And here you will see three options: Twitch, YouTube, and Custom. First of all, let's add Twitch. It's very simple. The only thing you need to do is to have this Login button. Here, of course, read all of this information and then hit this Authorize button. After that, let's hit Allow and let's get back. Here now you see Twitch channel will be the name of your channel, stream server automatically, stream key automatically. The only thing is that you probably want to change will be canvas. You can choose vertical. In my case, it will be main. Then this is start this stream when going live, right? So we can toggle on or toggle off like this. With that, change is saved, we can go back. Twitch is there. Now let's add another output for our stream. It will be custom because in this case, I want to add Kick custom. For custom, we need to add stream URL and stream key. To get this, we need to go to the Kick website. let's do this. Here we need to go to the settings, then stream URL and key. And here we go, stream URL and stream key, exactly what we need. First, we need to get this one. To get your stream key on a kick, you will get a confirmation code to your email, 765. Now we've got our stream URL and stream key. The next thing that we need to do is copy this, go back to MELD and put it to stream URL. Then go back to kick, copy stream key, paste it here, and we are good. Hit enter button, and that's it. Again, we have the option to choose the canvas, which will be streamed to that platform, and in our case, it will be main as well. Back, and that's it. Now you can see on the right side, we've got new section, outputs, and we have both of them, Twitch and Kick. Let me rename it, by the way. Let me name it Kick. Okay, like that. Okay, and those toggles means that as soon as you will hit that go live button, it will start streaming for both of them. In case if you will toggle off Kick, when you will hit this go live button, it will start streaming only to Twitch, and vice versa. In case if you will turn on this and turn off this one, it will start streaming only to Kick. In this case, it will do multi-streaming to both platforms. Alerts. In this section, I will show you how to set up MELD Studio built-in alerts and third-party alerts from Streamelemnts and Botrix Live. Let's check this out. So first of all, to add built-in alerts, we need to go to the Layers section. Again, hit that plus button and go to Widget and add Spotlight. Spotlight is the widget that will show you different stuff, right? So let's see what exactly it can show us. It can show us a cheer event from Twitch. It can show us a follow event from Twitch, sub event Twitch, YouTube super chat event, YouTube sub event, and YouTube member event. Now let's customize it a bit because it looks small a little. For that, we need to go to the size. It shows 32. Let's make maybe 70. 70 is better. Okay, let's keep it 70. What is good about that alerts, you can see the preview of what is going on. See, so you can hit that button and it will show you the preview of the event. So you can see how it looks like on the screen and how it's going to look during your stream. So event, follow event, chat, for example, see. Okay, I think we can put it here. And maybe let's keep it. Let's keep it here. We don't care. Oh no, let's put it maybe here. We can like this, and then let's make it to the left bottom. And we will add one more widget here. But the interesting thing is that this widget not in the list right now. To get this widget, you need to go to the MELD website with the widgets. And so what you need to do is to type MELD Studio Co, then / then widgets, like that. And you will be redirected to the site MELD with widgets. Here you will find only 3 widgets, 2 of them already in the list, Spotlight and Combo. You saw those, right? But this one with Confetti is not there. I don't know why. It's official, seems it should be there. Maybe they will add it in some future releases. Who knows? But now to get this widget, you need to hit that drag me button. Then low, and voila, it's right here. You see? Works exactly the same as the previous widget. So here on the right side, you will see the different triggers for that widget, like non-chat, chat, preview. Basically, this is how it looks like. And you can customize it in any way you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. We will not play with it one. You can do it by yourself. Right now, we'll just put it here, I think. See, maybe let's like that. like that, right? So okay, I'm happy with that one. So basically, what I did right now, I put two widgets that will trigger on the same event. For example, if anyone will subscribe, it will appear here on this widget, and also confetti widget will work like that. So we are done with built-in widgets, and now we'll switch to third-party widgets. Let's start with the Streamelemnts. We will add different events as well, but this alert will give us much more actions or triggers to appear. So let's go to the Streamelemnts website. Now let's go to dashboard. Here under dashboard, we need to go to the streaming tools, overlays, new overlay. Let's keep it 180p, add widget. For this one, we'll go to alerts and get alert box. Here you can see the triggers for this alert, right? So it's follower, subscriber, tip, cheer, rate, purchase. So as you may remember, the built-in alert will show you only things like chat, like subscribe. That's it. It will not show you the event of rate. It will not show you the event of tip, right? So this alert will cover these things. And the other good thing is that those alerts have emulation as well. So you can emulate those. Like, for example, follower event looks like that. What we need to do to get it into our MELD Studio, integrate those. We need to hit that save button. Let's call it test alert and save button. Now we need to hit this copy overlay URL. Now it's copied. Next thing that we need to do, let's go back to our for video, hit plus button, and now we need to add browser. Now with the browser, here on the right side is the customization of this thing. Yeah, so here is the URL that you need to replace with the one that you copied from the Streamelemnts website. Paste it here, hit the update button, and now it is here. Also, below you will see the toggle, add an audio track for the source. What does it mean? It means basically that in case if this toggle will be on, the MELD Studio will get audio source sound from the alert that you paste, in case if this alert has any sounds from the original source, right? For example, this one has. So we will hit that button. And now let's emulate, for example, rate for, or tip for $10, doesn't matter. You see, now we have this alert over here, but it's kind of too small. So we will resize it a little like that. And let's put it, I don't know. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's keep it here. Let's test it a bit. So we have tip $10. Let's do another test for rate, for example, for 10 people. Okay. You see, rated my stream with 10 viewers. So we have it. We have it. That's cool. Next thing that we're going to do with Streamelemnts is adding tips on the screen. Let's go back. To add tips, we need to go back to the main dashboard. From this dashboard, you need to go to the revenue. Here, you need to go to the tipping settings. Here is already set up for me. For you, it will be blank, pretty sure. So what you have to do is to go to the payment providers, connect your PayPal account with that one. Then on this page, you need to choose currency. You need to choose minimum amount. Right now it's $1. Maximum amount, no limit. Suggested amount will be $5. Maximum message length, 255. Require viewers to log in, up to you. Now, tipping presets, you can add 5, 10, 20, 50, 100. It's what I added. You can add a maximum up to 5, and you can put here any numbers you want. Then design and the message that will welcome your tippers. And at the end, after you will complete all these forms, you will get a link to your tip page. And it will look like this. Okay, so anyone will be able to enter this link, get in here, choose the amount that they want to tip you or other, and choose their own amount, put the message they want, and pay you for a PayPal. This on the right side, you will see the list of your tippers, basically. Next step is to go back to overlays, add a new overlay. Let's keep it 180p. This time we will add labels and tips goals, tip goal. Okay, now we'll have a label with the tips. Here we can set a goal for $100. Let's say tip goal, it will be, I don't know, new headphones. I don't know, whatever. For example, you can add the percentage here. You can make it like that. You can use simple design. I will keep like that. The next step is to add this label to our MELD Studio. For this, we need to hit the save button. Let's call it, I don't know, test tip, for example. Again, hit this copy overlay URL. Go back. Now, we will add one more browser here. Let's call it tips. This one, let's call alert. To add tips label, we need to do basically the same step as we did for alerts. We need to go to the right side under section URL. We need to replace this URL with the one that we already copied. Hit that refresh button. And now we have tips. You see, it's kind of small, but it's already there. Let's resize it a little. Make it like that, for example, if you want. And let's put it somewhere here on the screen, right? Okay, now on the screen, we have next things. We have tips right here. We have alerts. It will be right here. We have a confetti widget, and we have a spotlight, right? Also, we have our face, capture, and we have Elgato capture card here. What else left? We need to add a multi-chat, and for that, we need to go to the next section. And a quick hint, you can add a QR code of your tip wallet on a screen, so people don't need to look for this link somewhere in your Twitch or Kick profile. They can just scan it on a screen that they see using their any smartphone, basically, and they will automatically redirect it to your tipping page, and they will be able to tip there. So it will look like that. You see on the right upper corner. That's what I did. I will show you how to do this a little bit later. Let's consider this as a, like a bonus thing. I will do it after we'll complete with the streaming setup. Now let's add multi-chat to our MELD Studio streaming. For that, we need to go to Botrix Live. Let's do this. Botrix Live. Right. Botrix is a streaming tool, as you can see. You can log in with one of the most popular streaming platforms like Trovo, Twitch, YouTube, Kick, or Discord. Let's log in with Twitch. And then you can bind other accounts to this account. So how I did basically. Here is my original account, Twitch, and here I added my Kick account here as well. You will need this to set up multi-chat streaming a bit later. To set up a multi-chat, we will need to go to widgets. Under widgets, we need to go to chat overlay. And here, everything is super simple and easy. Here, you need to toggle the services that you want to have multi-chat. So for me, it's Twitch and Kick. Basically, that's it. You can see a lot of customization options right here, but we will not customize anything right now. The only thing that we're going to do is to copy a widget URL. The widget URL is here in the bottom. You just hit a copy Then we need to go back to our MELD Studio. Again, let's add our browser. And here again, just paste the link. That's it. Let's call it multi-chat. Now let's take a look how it works. For that, we will need to go to our streaming platforms. Firstly, let's chat from the from Twitch. It's too small. Let's resize it a little, like this. Now it looks a bit better. No, I believe it's even too big. Like that. Okay, now it's better. Let's put it on this side. And again, let's test. What I'm doing right now, it's on my phone on Twitch. Is it visible? Yeah, I believe so. So right now on the phone in my Twitch chat, just sending test messages. Test, like that. And now I will go to Kick. Same. I will put here just test. And you see, we have both chats in one place. And what is good about it is that here on the left side, you will see the logo of the streaming platform where it came from. You see here it's a Twitch, here it's Kick. So you will understand who is sending you messages and chatting from which platform. How cool is that, right? And now, as I promised, I will show you how to generate custom QR code absolutely for free that will lead directly to your tipping page. So you can add your QR code directly to your stream, so your viewers will be able just to scan it by their smartphones and tip directly from their phones without, unnecessary difficulties. Let's dive in. For that, we need to go to this website, QR Cactus. I will add all the links in the description below. Here we need to add a URL. Where to get this URL? We need to go to our tipping page. Make sure that it's exactly tipping page that you want to add. Copy it and paste right here. Basically, that's it. You see, QR code was generated automatically. Now you can customize it in a way you want. For example, you can switch off gradient and have it just classic black. Add gradient in any way, change the color here, whatever you want. I don't know, green, for example, like that. You see, you can add a background image if you want, maybe upload something, customizable transparent background, make it like that. And also on your stream, it will be transparent. You can add any design you want. You can even add a custom logo here. For example, you see how it looked like? You can add your own logo there in the middle. The next step you have to do is to hit that save button. With that one, you will download in any format you want, PNG, SVG, or PDF, or you can print it. And that's it. Next step is to go back here on our stream. And let's go right here. And then let's add an image. Here's my donation PNG. Oh, it's too big. Let's resize it a bit. We need to make it smaller. I believe this will be enough, like that. Maybe a little bigger, like this. You can resize it in any way you want. And now we're good. Perfect. I love how it looks like. Now we can move this QR code in any scene you want. And again, as everything here in MELD, it's as simple as possible. Just hit copy, go to, for example, here, hit paste, voila, it's here. You see, we're done. Streaming has never been easier than it is with MELD. This piece of software simplifies your workflow and makes the whole process just simply enjoyable. Give it a try, you will love it, I guarantee. I remember how Apple used to say, it just works. And MELD Studio has the same vibes. It's simple, it's elegant, and it's genuinely cool. Huge shout out to MELD Studio team. Guys, you did a great job. And for those who are watching till that moment, thank you. Appreciate it. And let me know your thoughts in the down section below. Have you tried MELD Studio yet? And do you like it or not? It's really interesting to read about it and your thoughts. With that, thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.